Once again, I'm saying, I want more players to be there in this industry. This is the time to start an airline in India. This has been the time. There is so much growth that is happening. So let us all encourage more airlines to come into this industry along with the government. And right now, because this incident has happened and everyone is kind of focused on this subject and all these issues are coming, but the ministry has already been working on this. We have envisioned the demand to be growing at such a rate that we want to have more airlines in the picture. And I have continuously said on the floor of the house, in both the houses and outside also whenever I'm speaking, that India today has the capacity of 5 big airlines. You're talking about 2 airlines, but the capacity, the demand that India is creating today, we need to have 5 big airlines. And that has been the efforts from the ministry to encourage more airlines to come in. This house would also remember, sir, we have passed a legislation regarding the Cape Town Convention, which is the protection of interest in aircraft objects. This is specifically to align our civil aviation industry, align our leasing industry for aircrafts according to global standards, so that the airlines which are trying to start in the country, it becomes easier for them to lease the planes. If you look at the top Indigo or Air India or the other players that are there today, 80 to 85% of their aircrafts are leased today. So people are not owning the planes by themselves, they are leasing the planes today. And it was important for us, envisioning the demand that the country has created, that we encourage the leasing industry. Leasing is happening in Ireland, leasing is happening in UAE, leasing is happening in Singapore. And we wanted India to be there in that picture, and we have passed that legislation. And I'll also, through you, Chairman Sir, I will also try to tell the House that because of the UDAN scheme that we have done, we have expanded our network in the airports. We have expanded the route connectivity. Just with the idea that people, the airlines which are there, they might find it only to go around the profitable routes. But we have encouraged so that new airlines also come in. There is Fly 91, there is Star Air, there is India One Air. There are these smaller airlines also, which we have encouraged in the last 5-6 years. These have all come in the last 5-6 years. And definitely, we are going to engage with the necessary stakeholders. I'm just giving you as a background, saying that the ministry has continuously been working to encourage competition.